So 4.6, I want to talk about solving equations. So to solve the equation, the first concept that we need to know is what is a solution. So what is the solution? So the solution is a value of the variable that makes the equation true. So a solution is the value of a variable that will make the equation true. So now number one, the American black bear is active for 7 months of the year and it usually rests part of the year. So how many months does the bear rest? So we know there are 12 months in a year. So let's let the number of months bear rest x. So if the number of months bear rests x plus the month that bear is active, the total is 12. To solve the equation, we circle positive 7 minus 7 to the other side, so x equals to 5. So there are 5 months that the bear will rest. So then now here's the activity that we want to try to use the equilibrium balance. We want to try to see if 4, 5, or 6 is the solution of the equation. So now I have 4, 7 plus 4, which is 11, 7 plus 5, which is 12, 7 plus 6, which is 13, and then we know this equation makes sense. So 5 is the solution of the equation. 7 plus m equals to 12. And then later we have mental math. So a 2-year-old black bear weighs 4 times as much as it's weighted as a 6-month cub. So if a bear weighs 120 pounds, and how much does it weigh as a cub? So now I have a bear weighs 4 times as a cub. So now if the bear weighs 120, then how much does it weigh as a cub? So to solve this, we circle 4 and divide it by 4. So the cub is 30. So 30 pounds. So before we solve the equation, and we want to double check if they can be simplified by adding or subtracting like terms. So now the like terms are 4x and 2x. So the definition of the like term is that I need to have the same variable, and once I have the same variable, the power also needs to be the same, and then the variable and then the power also needs to be the same. So the like term is 7y and 3y, and then once we simplify, this is 6x equals to 24. This is 4y equals to 32. So 8x minus 2x, this is 6x equals to 18. So then this is multiplication, so make it division, so x equals to 3. And then I have 2 like terms, so 7h equals to 42. And then you times 7, you divide it by 7, so your h equals to 6.